Stop buying expensive retinol. It is 2026, and the more is better era is officially over. If you've been watching this channel, you know I'm not here to sell you a miracle. I'm here to investigate the science. For months, I've been tracking a trend that sounds like science fiction, PDRN, or Salmon Sperm DNA. It's being called the Retinol Killer because it allegedly regenerates skin without the burn. But is it just another marketing gimmick? Or is it the ultimate biohack for skin longevity? I've spent the last few weeks digging through clinical papers and talking to people who have ditched their 1% retinol for this liquid DNA. What I found is a complete shift in how we understand skin aging. Today, we're moving from anti-aging to regenerative skincare. If you want the deep dive truth, let's get into the data. I'm a researcher, not a doctor. So when I see a claim that salmon DNA can fix human wrinkles, my red flag goes up. But the research is actually fascinating. PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide. It's essentially a fancy name for fragments of DNA. Why salmon? Because salmon DNA is incredibly similar to human DNA. But more importantly, it doesn't trigger an immune response. Instead, it triggers a healing response. It works by activating something called the adenosine A2A receptor. Think of this as the construction manager of your skin. While retinol works by irritating your skin to force it to turn over, PDRN works by giving your skin the building blocks to repair itself. In 2026, we've realized that constantly burning our skin with high percentage actives is a recipe for chronic inflammation. PDRN is the no-nonsense answer for anyone with a broken barrier or sensitive skin. You might remember my video on the 7 best Vaseline hacks. The reason that video resonated with so many of you is that we took a simple, affordable tool and used it to achieve luxury results. PDRN follows that same logic. In the clinic, a Rejuvenate salmon DNA injection can cost $500 to $1,000. But the research shows that topical PDRN can achieve measurable results if you know how to apply it. I've analyzed the 2026 market, and the biggest scam right now is Salmon Extract. Warning, if your bottle says Salmon Extract, you are likely buying water. You need to look for sodium DNA or PDRN on the label. My investigation found that you need a concentration of at least 1,000 ppm to see a difference in skin density. Don't pay for the fancy packaging. Pay for the parts per million. How do we make this work like a professional treatment? I've talked to clinical researchers, and the hack for 2026 is micro-infusion. Since DNA molecules are large, they struggle to get past your dead skin layer. If you just rub it on, you're wasting money. The stamp. Use a 0.5 millimeters micro-infusion stamp to create tiny channels. The infusion, apply your PDRN serum. This allows the DNA fragments to hit those A2A receptors directly. The seal, the Vaseline connection, just like my slugging hack. You finish with a thin layer of an occlusive. This forces the PDRN to stay in contact with the skin and prevents evaporation. This protocol is why people are seeing glass skin results without the peeling. It's not magic. It's better delivery. The era of more is better is officially dead. We are now in the era of smarter skincare. Salmon DNA isn't just a weird trend. It's a tool for anyone who wants to bank their collagen without the irritation of traditional actives. I'm an independent researcher. I don't have a brand to sell you, and I don't take sponsorships that compromise my data. My only goal is to give you the information the big brands try to hide. If you appreciate this kind of no-nonsense deep dive, where we prioritize research over marketing, please subscribe to Only for You. We are building a community of people who want to understand why their products work and what they really need. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next investigation into exosomes. I'm Alicia, and this is Only for You. Stay curious and check your labels. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.